Imagine this. You are trapped inside a cave. A huge rock blocks the exit. No way out, no help. What would you do? This is the story of three men whose lives were saved by their sincere good deeds. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today's story teaches us how sincerity can save your life, even in the most impossible situation. The story is three men were traveling together. Suddenly, rain started pouring heavily to protect themselves. But something unexpected happened. A huge rock rolled down from the mountain and completely blocked the entrance. They were trapped, no escape, no one to help. They realized only Allah could save them. So they said to each other, "Let's call upon Allah." By mentioning our most sincere good deeds, the first man said, "O Allah, I had old parents and I used to serve them before anyone else. One night, I came home late and they were already asleep. I had milk for them, but I didn't want to wake them, and I didn't give it to my children before them. I stood there the whole night, waiting for them to wake up until morning came, and then I gave them the milk. O Allah, if I did this only for your sake, then remove this hardship." The rock moved, but not enough to escape. The second man said, "O Allah, I loved a woman deeply, and I wanted to commit sin with her. One day, I finally had the chance, but at the last moment, she said, 'Fear Allah and don't do this wrong.' Immediately, I stepped back, even though I had full power. O Allah, if I left that sin only for your sake, then save us." The rock moved further, but still they were trapped. The third man said, "O Allah, I hired a worker and he left without taking his wages. I invested that money and it grew into wealth, animals and property. After a long time, he returned and asked for his money. I told him, 'Allah, all of this is yours.' He thought I was joking, but I gave him everything without keeping anything for myself. O Allah, if I did this only for your sake, then remove this rock." And this time, the rock completely moved away. They walked out safely. Think about it. They didn't call for help. They didn't panic. They turned to Allah with their most sincere good deeds, and Allah saved him. Moral of the story: your hidden good deeds, your sincerity, these are your real treasure, because one day they might be the reason Allah saves you. If this story touched your heart, like this video, share and comment. and subscribe for more powerful Islamic story. And you for watching my video, Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to follow. Thank you so much.